This poem is written by romantic poet Shahrukh Shafi, who hails from district Kulgaon. The poem is titled as Innocent Heart's Traumatic Torment. The deep scars on my heart that never heal. Trauma is fathomless, optimistic spirit turned into steel. You have stoned my soul and trampled my innocent heart. Oh, disloyal bird, you took my trust, broke it apart. Calling me as an infidel was tantamount to dying. Your hurt storm ruined me, there is no smiling. You wasted my breath, you robbed my peace. Now my heart feels so empty and racked into peace. You told seeing me in catastrophic state you couldn't bear. But those are just sugar-coated words floating in there.